Hi guys, so you have to get this toy so you can make this cool gun. So this toy is from Thailand. So let me explain how to make a fire gun and this a gun. So you see this? Now you turn this bit up to here, and now you see it'll turn. And now you see this bit. Now turn it until it gets up to here. And do you know what now? So you twist this bit. And now it'll look like this. Now we get this bit. And so now it's a long line. Whoa! It's bigger than my nose. So now we twist on the here, right here where my finger is, here, and now we twist up to there. So now we got along there with this bit, yeah. Now we just twist that bit here, like this here. So it should be looking like this. And now we turn here, where the black bit is. So it should be like this. And now keep doing it. Keep turning it backwards till it gets up to here. And now turn it backwards again. And now you just turn up to here. And now you keep turning it backwards. And then you've got a square. So now we turn here and turn there, and now it should be like this. And now I'm going to turn it upside down so we see this. And now we twist here backwards so it should look like this. And now it will be like here. And now we twist it a little bit, the yellow one. And that's how we make a gun. Bye guys.